So welcome back to another Heatable video. My name's Patrick and today we're going to discuss the age-old topic of exactly how long it takes to swap a boiler. So without further ado, let's get into it. For a straight boiler replacement, we would estimate that the job would be completed within 1 day. In fact, last year over 85% of our like-for-like boiler replacements were completed, tested and submitted by our engineers on the first day of the installation. However, a single day installation isn't always a given, and there are numerous factors to bear in mind when planning your new boiler installation. A new boiler installation is unlikely to be the most exciting event on anyone's calendar this year, and the work involved will of course mean a temporary loss of heating and hot water. Today I wanted to run through exactly how long you can expect your installer to take to change your boiler, and when you can expect to be up and running with your shiny new appliance. We all long for a time when swapping a boiler will be simply a case of removing the existing boiler from the wall, popping the new one on the wall and hitting the big red button. But unlike the vast majority of home appliance installations, there's a huge amount of work that goes into protecting the property, testing the gas supply, amending the pipework to suit the new boiler, and ensuring that the new boiler is wired as per regulations and everything safe to use. Here at Heatable, we'll always aim to get the new boiler up and running as quickly as possible, and usually within 1 day. But making sure that the installation is safe, the system's clean, and the boiler's warranty is protected is not always straightforward. This is why flexibility in terms of timescales is essential when planning your boiler installation. Despite the fact that most installations are completed within a single day, it is worth bearing in mind that there are numerous factors that could cause the time on site to be extended into a second day. Upgrading the gas supply to suit the new boiler, any additional extras such as a vertical flue or a magna cleanse, clearing the system of airlocks and balancing the system can all lead to the time on site being extended into a second day or maybe into the early evening as well. So it is always worth giving yourself as much flexibility as you possibly can. If you are converting your system from a conventional system to a Combi, the installation will usually be completed within 2 days. However, it is worth bearing in mind that each and every heating system and each and every property are different in some ways. And the time taken on site will usually depend on the route of the gas supply, the location of the new boiler, the flue configuration, and the route of any additional pipework needed to serve a Combi boiler. Should you have opted to relocate your boiler, even if the new location is reasonably close to the existing location, we would always recommend that you have the flexibility to accommodate at least 2 days for that sort of job. So the big question, on average, how long does it take for a boiler to be replaced? The answer to that question is 1.3 days. This is based on our figures from the 2023 season. What is football? 1.3 days. This is based on our figures from 2023 as a whole, and it's a reflection of every type of boiler installations, right from a simple Combi swap right through to a back boiler conversion. So that wraps up this quick guide for what to expect in terms of timescales for your new boiler installation. Although you can reasonably expect a simple boiler change to be done and dusted within a single day, it is always worth having the time and flexibility to allow the engineer to get the job done correctly and safely. There can often be minor challenges along the way which could slow an installation down, but in my experience here at Heatable, we will always look to overcome any such challenges within our fixed price guarantee. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this video and your personal experience having your boiler changed. Don't forget, if you did like this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and we'll look forward to bringing you more similar content in the near future. Thank you. Nice.